Exclamatory sentences are the sentences that express overwhelming emotions like happiness, sorrow, surprise, or simply any kind of praise. So, in this session today, I am going to explain you how to change an exclamatory sentence from a direct speech into indirect speech. So, hello my dear students, welcome back to my class, Birds of Wisdom. Reported speech part 6. How to change an exclamatory sentence from a direct speech into indirect speech. So as I mentioned earlier, exclamatory sentences are the sentences that show happiness, sorrow, surprise, regret or applause. Applause means praise. Praise someone. All these expressions are actually expressed through these kinds of words or phrases. Like happiness, if the sentence is showing happiness, it will be changed, it will show the words like hurrah, oh, etc. will show. Okay, but that is also not compulsory that you will recognize exclamatory sentences with these words or these these phrases only. जो बेसिक स्टेटमेंट है उससे आपको क्लियर होगा कि वो एक्चुअली एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस किस एक्सप्रेशन से रिलेटेड है, वो हैप्पीनेस से रिलेटेड है या सैडनेस से रिलेटेड है, ठीक है ना. लाइक आई एम सेइंग हुर्रा, आई हैव वन द मैच. ओके, तो ये जो एक्सप्रेशन है इससे कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हमारा एक्सप्लेन हो रहा है, क्लियरली एक्सप्लेन हो रहा है कि खुशी है कि दुख है, ठीक है, क्योंकि कभी कभी खुशी और दुख के सेम एक्सप्रेशंस वर्ड हो सकते हैं, फ्रेजेस हो सकते हैं, ठीक है. तो बेसिकली यू विल रिकॉग्नाइज विद द स्टेटमेंट. ओके, सो हाउ टू चेंज दीज स्टेटमेंट्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, commas or inverted commas will be replaced with that conjunctions. Exclamatory sentence like interrogative or imperative sentences, these sentences as are changed into assertive sentences. In the same way, exclamatory sentence will also be changed into assertive sentence. Then sad or sad to or exclamation words or phrases, यानी कि ये सारे के सारे जो exclamation phrases हैं, हुर्रा, लास, वाव, ठीक है, तो ये सारे के सारे जो हैं वो इस तरह से change होंगे. Sad or sad to, if the statement is showing happiness, we will change it into exclaim with joy or exclaim with happiness or delight. Then sorrow, exclaim with sorrow, exclaim with surprise or delight. हमारा सरप्राइज जो है वो चेंज होगा. डिलाइट, रिमेंबर, यू कैन गेट इट इन हैप्पीनेस ऑल्सो, इन सरप्राइज ऑल्सो, बिकॉज समटाइम्स हैप्पीनेस, समटाइम्स सरप्राइज शो हैप्पीनेस ऑल्सो. ओके, देन रिग्रेट, विद रिग्रेट, सेट टू अपलॉस. अब अगर हम किसी की तारीफ कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो वो हम सिंपली एक्सक्लेम विद में नहीं चेंज करेंगे. वी विल चेंज इट अनदर वे, अपलॉड इट by saying praise, by saying, okay, we will study it deeper in the later part of the video. Okay, so first we will change the statement of happiness. Hurrah, I have stood first in the class. Namita exclaimed with joy. The sad will be changed into exclaimed with joy. Hurrah, exclamation word will also be changed into exclaim with joy. And remaining part of the sentence will be changed according to the simple sentence. I have stood first in the class. Okay, and this exclamation mark will also be changed into full stop because exclamatory sentence has been changed into assertive sentence. You can add this point here. This exclamation mark will be changed into full stop. Divya said, "Wow, we have won the match." Divya exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. Okay, here one more important thing, we change according to the subject of reporting verb. Why? Because normally we first person जो होता है वो चेंज होता है सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग, रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब के सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग, बट हियर वी कैन नोटिस दैट दिस सब्जेक्ट इज इन सिंगुलर इन नंबर, ओके, but in reported speech the subject is in plural in number. Okay, so in such conditions we change this we into they. Okay, that is why we have changed this we into they. Divya exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. In sorrow, Akshita said, "Alas, I have lost the match." Akshita exclaimed with sorrow that she had lost the match. Divya said to Nikhil, "Ah, we have lost the match." Divya exclaimed Nikhil with sorrow that they had lost the match. Surprise! Simran said, "What a great fall!" Simran exclaimed with delight that it was a great fall. Nishi said, "How beautiful the rain is!" Nishi exclaimed that it was a beautiful rain. Here we can notice that here in the first sentence I have written exclaimed with delight, but in the next sentence I have written only exclaimed. So in surprising statement, it is not necessary every time that you should change it into exclaim with joy or exclaim with delight or exclaim with surprise. You can write simply as exclaimed. Okay, basically the changes come here like it was a great fall. Okay, whenever any sentence of exclamatory sentence you can say start with how or what, they are changed in the following way: very or how, great. Okay, डिपेंड्स ऑन द सेंटेंस, किस तरह का सेंटेंस है. ऐसा कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हमेशा वॉट ग्रेट में चेंज होगा या हाउ वेरी में चेंज होगा. ठीक है, ओके. वॉट अ ग्रेट फॉल, इट वॉज अ ग्रेट फॉल. हाउ ब्यूटिफुल द रेन इज, इट वॉज अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल रेन. Regret. Uday said, "Oh God, I lost my key." Uday exclaimed with regret that he had lost his key. Niti said, "Oh, there is no hope now." Niti exclaimed with regret that there was no hope then. Exclamatory sentence, applause or praise. The teacher said to the boys, "Bravo, you have played well." The teacher applauded the boys, saying that they had played well. Now remember, in the statement of praise or applause, we will not change this that to as exclaimed. Okay, because we will change it in this way: applauded by saying, applauded saying or praised saying. Okay, the teacher applauded the boys. Teacher ने प्रशंसा की, saying that, ऐसा कहते हुए कि that they had played well. Nisha praised, saying that she had done her job perfectly. Okay, तो ब्रावो एंड वेल डन है, क्या शो कर रहे हैं एक्चुअली, वो तरह से प्रेस शो कर रहे हैं, एक तरह से क्या कहना चाहिए, शाबाश जैसे देते हैं. तो इस वजह से जिसे दिशा ने जो भी थर्ड पर्सन है उसको उसकी तारीफ करते हुए कहा कि उसने बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से अपनी जॉब निभाई. ठीक है, सो दीज आर सम एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस that we change from a direct speech into indirect speech. Meet you soon in my next lesson, in which I will explain you how to change an optative sentence from a direct speech into indirect speech, and that would be the last part of reported speech. So meet you soon with my next session. Till then, goodbye. Happy learning.